I'm Dr. Mohan Bhaskar Rao from Andhra Pradesh, Guntur. This workshop is very useful, and one thing I noticed this workshop is for everybody we are getting chance to do on our own, and they taking faculty utmost interest and importance to teach each and every individual. I like very much. I have been attending for the last 1 year. I like it very, taking interest and giving ample chance to whatever they teach to learn each delegate. Of course, all the faculty are very knowledgeable and informative and taking interest, especially the organizers, Dr. Chinmay Rai, Vijayati Datta and Kanchan Sharma, who they are my teachers also. I took course from them. Thank you.